Hey everyone, Lee here. Today I'm going to walk you through how to apply a fuzzy skin effect in Bambu Studio to give your 3D prints a textured finish. First things first, launch Bambu Studio. Once you're in, go ahead and load your model you want to work with. If you have already got a file open, you're good to go. Next, click on your model so it's selected. For this demo, I'm just using a simple cube. Make sure you're in Prepare tab. On the left hand side, you'll see several categories like Quality, Strength, Support and Other. Go ahead and click on Other. Scroll all the way down until you find the Special Mode section. In there, you'll see an option labelled Fuzzy Skin. This is what we're after. Open a drop down menu and you'll notice two choices, Contour and Contour and Hole. If you're new to this feature, I recommend starting with Contour. Once selected, a couple of additional settings will appear. Point distance. This controls how frequently the surface variation occurs. In other words, it affects how tight or spread out the texture pattern is. Thickness. This determines how pronounced the fuzzy effect is. Basically, how deep or strong the texture appears on the surface. If that sounds a bit abstract, the best way to understand it is by previewing. Go ahead and click Slice Plate on the top right hand corner. This will generate a preview so you can get a rough idea how the texture will look. For example, if the texture looks rough, you can lower the values, try something like reducing the point distance or thickness and slice again to compare. Smaller values will give you a finer, tighter texture. That's all there is to it. You've now added a fuzzy skin effect in Bambu Studio. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop them below, and thanks for watching.